guys, it's Faith from Kiddy Entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to be making lemonade for my dad. But before you watch this video, please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell.
Okay, right. So to make this lemonade, you are going to need some adult supervision because we are going to be heating it up. Now, you're going to need sugar, water, lemon juice from fresh lemons, or you can buy it, and you're going to need some ice. Okay, so first Faith will show you how we take the juice from the lemon, but take note the adult should be cutting the lemon. Okay, and what Faith is going to do is use a spoon, and she's going to show you how she digs the spoon in and then twists it and just wiggle, and you see the juice coming out. Okay, now this does take a little bit of time. That's it, it can be tricky. These ones are straight out of the fridge, so they're a little bit hard. Okay, and then Daddy will take over and show you how to get a bit more out. So we get in, and you dig, and you twist. Dig, and twist, okay? Then what I do, I mean you don't have to, some people like having the pulp, but my kids don't, so what I do is I use a sieve. And all I do is just sieve it in. Now, we don't really need much here because, as you can see, we've already got a cup's worth. Now, you will need to do enough lemons for a cup's worth. It's normally about 5 or 6. Okay, so now that we have our lemon, I'm just going to put this in this jug. No, it's nice. Faith, could you pour about halfway into there with Demerara sugar? I like Demerara sugar because it adds a bit more flavour and a bit more colouring. So keep going until about halfway. And as some of you may know, Faith, okay, made it onto the news with her products and her channel, so please keep sharing away. Okay, now top it up all the way to the top. So you want 1 cup of sugar. Just a bit more. There we go, that'll do. Okay, so 1 cup of sugar goes in. Okay, and then what I do, I use the water. This is where I always spill it. I use the water to just under a cup and add that in straight away. I don't wait. Okay, so now what we're going to do is remove the board, the ice out of the way. We are going to turn this on. Obviously, this is where you need your parents or your guardians or your helpers, your elder helpers to help you out. And what we're going to do is we're going to stir this, and this will become a syrup. But we have to keep stirring it. And in fact, what I'll do is I'll move it over to this hop so it's easier for you guys to see, and Faith can stir it. Okay, so Faith, you stir away. So all you've got to do is keep it moving. That's it. Keep it going. Okay, Daddy is helping, so don't worry guys, although this is hot, I am right here, I'm holding the spoon with it. So we just keep this moving until it dissolves. Okay, this is really easy, I mean, very simple, but the best thing about this is it's fresh and it's sweet. Now you don't have to put as much sugar as this in, this is how my kids like it, so obviously adjust it to your own taste. Okay, so we just keep stirring. This is the boring bit, isn't it, Faith? So Faith, you want about bringing out a little bit of makeup soon, some edible makeup. Yeah? What sort of things have you got in mind?
Lip scrub.
Lip scrub? Flavoured lip scrub.
Flavoured lip scrub.
Yep.
edible lipstick.
Edible lipstick, yeah, very nice. And you were on about some lip gloss as well. I think they're great ideas, Faith, and I think everybody else will agree that they're great ideas. Torrens lemonade will be in bottles very soon and will be coming out. Now if you take a look back in here, you'll see that it's starting to become a syrup. Now I'm not boiling it like crazy, I'm just literally dissolving the sugar into this water. As you can see, it is dissolving nicely. There is a bit of colour in here, and this is why I like the Demerara, but it does add that little bit of colour. Now the heat's really starting to come through. You can see it bubbling on the bottom, as you can see. Now I don't want that to go too crazy. I'm going to give it a mix. You can see it's starting to heat up now. All the sugar is dissolved. So this is another important bit. Again, the hob goes off. Now we have to be very safe, so that stays out of the way. And we have a bowl. Now into this bowl, I'm going to put the lemon juice. And 2 cups of water. One. Just under 2 cups there. It'll be okay. I'm now going to put some ice in. We can put quite a bit of that in. Okay. Now in goes syrup. Now you can hear it. That is hot. Very hot. So I am going to give it a stir. And so what I do is I always save some ice, because that always cools it down. And this ice will hopefully make it cold. Now, this lemonade here is ready, believe it or not. It's that simple. So what I will do now is get some in a jug. Just as simple as that. Faith, could you pass us the princess cup for a princess, please? That's right, my princess. So, and then fill up your princess cup or whatever cup you have. Then drink away.
It tastes really
That tastes really good. Okay guys, I have a quick question for everybody watching. If you get a chance, please write in the comments what flavour lemonade we should make next, either strawberry or raspberry. Okay? Tune in next time for Kiddy Entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneurs.
Yeah.